My name is Josh Blackson, and I'm the co-founder of Upcycle Life.
I am Emma-Kate Hosey, and I am the Director of Sales and Marketing. So my daily responsibilities with Upcycle Life vary. With being sales and marketing, the majority of what I do, it's client meetings, it's social media. We're on all social media sites now, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. We also do email updates. Client meetings are the biggest piece of what I do, with cold calls and with warm calls. And then another large piece of what I do within the sales side is setting up retailer visits. So whether it's going into small retail stores or larger ones and trying to get business from them. Another aspect that I now do is a lot of the operations work. So I monitor what the ladies are doing on a day-to-day basis. I assist them in helping to make the product, making sure that they're understanding exactly what the order is, kind of double-checking their work from a quality assurance standpoint. I do payroll for them, and I do a lot of scheduling. So if we don't have work one day, to ensure that the ladies are aware of that. We also have English classes, so I schedule the English classes. And next week we'll be starting some financial advising type of work training for them. So that will be another piece of scheduling that I also do on a daily basis.